Don't feel like chancing that one there. Wait, will I? Fuck it. Running with the new hander. New hander? No hander. There she is, the ladder. On the Grom stock tyres. That many kilometers. Do hear a bike in the distance, yeah. We'll see how she goes against the ladder. Here we go. Now this is on stock ball tyres. Did I even need to buy the Maxxis? Whoa! I'm surprised. Tell ya, stock tyres are not bad at all. But I'd say with the knobblies I'll definitely make it up. Go down. Woohoo! I'm surprised it went up that much.
I was flicking around the first time because I was trying to figure out if it was possible to zoom in.
No, it doesn't zoom.
No? Yeah, but it's still recorded anyway.
I've never seen the ABS light flash before. Don't really know why. But if I turn it off and back on. Fixed. Although, was the light on before? I don't even remember. Whoa! Bike's gonna need a wash after this. Oh, is our track gone? The way in is, anyway. Fuck, that was a good track there. That was one of our good tracks there.
Good track?
Yeah, you used to go in. I think you used to go right straight up there.
I never saw any of them cut.
Must have done it only recently. Oh man, loads of them are cut. Shit. I don't want to get mud in me. All those trees were there last time I was up here. Not a tree hugger or anything now, but sad to see the trees gone. Looks shit. Be a nice little house to do up, wouldn't it? Did I what? This thing is going to be unstoppable with the knobbly tyres on it. Grand smell of shit or silage. Are we? You will? Is she bogging?
Turned it off because it started going yang, 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 yang.
You could potentially bump it just going down that little bit. Nothing. Was that
Yeah.
Oh, you are? Okay. Yeah. So get it up to a bit of speed, and when you let it out, do this as well. As if you're kicking it. I don't know if it makes a difference, but everyone does it. That's it, yeah. Watch this, look, jump start at this speed. No, put your feet up and let the bike, this hill gets a bit faster, you can do it at a quicker pace. You bring that?
I don't even know how to start it.
Why?
Huh?
How don't you?
Every time I do that, it cuts out. Good.
The red switch is off.
That switch?
Yeah.
That is.
Yeah. Now it would start. Is the kickstand up fully? Yeah. This, I got it to bump there because I let it freewheel in neutral and then hit it in gear, but it didn't start fully. Yeah, for a little bit. I've actually forgotten the power of anything more than 125cc. Jesus. And I don't want to be getting brave with my good camera on my back. One in my backpack there, I was doing a few shots with it. Oh, mummy. By Christ. No. Oh, yeah, if you just lift it into the ditch a little bit, or lift it and let it come forward as well. Ideal, I said. She's so light.